Welcome to Lumeer. We all know the crazy frustration caused by collecting data scattered among many business apps and putting them in spreadsheets to kick off our next project. There has to be an easier and a more productive way to work. It's time for change. Lumeer is the work management and collaboration tool that gives individuals, teams, and organizations the power to work the way they want. Lumeer is as easy as spreadsheets, but under the hood, there are some superpowers. So your data can have a real meaning, be put in relations, and Lumeer can be like an additional teammate who keeps an eye on your work. However, you are not limited to only seeing things in a grid. Lumeer lets you work with the same data in different ways. You can arrange events in a calendar, plan tasks in timelines, track addresses on a map, create an aggregated report in a chart. Every team and person can have their own view. And all your changes are securely saved and instantly synced across all devices and teammates, so you are always on the same page. Companies use Lumeer to keep one version of truth on every project, collaborate real-time with others, track progress on any project, automate processes, and provide instant executive reports. Lumeer helps teams and companies of all sizes to be more connected, productive, and innovative in areas like product design, IT and operations, HR and recruiting, sales and marketing, process management, you name it. Use Lumeer on your own or collaborate with a team to get things done fast. Lumeer, the work management done your way.